Next we're up to the tree. So we know how to do this stage by now. Okay, now on this one, what I like to do is go ahead and take my veining tool, the thinner edge, and just kind of draw the separation between the tree there. Now take it and just draw some lines this way. Okay, and we can just put a couple of things down here. All right, next step, we want our white royal icing, tip number 8. And we just want to make a little bit of snow like it's on the end of the tree here. So I'm just kind of wiggling the tip just a little bit. Okay, and then we'll take red, tip number 3, and just do some little balls. Okay, now on this, what I like to do before this royal icing, the white part sets too much, I like to take, this is a little bit of a sparkly dust. It's called Vibrant Green, and it really shimmers quite a bit. So I just take this with a brush and place it on here. See how that shines? It almost looks like real glitter. Some places call it a pixie dust. So if you're looking for it online, look, maybe put pixie dust in, but be careful that you don't get a real glitter. It's got to be for cake decorating. And then, woo, take a little bit of white fondant and just kind of roll this out. And if you have a little star cutter like this, keep the fondant fairly thick. Cut your star out and then pick this up. Attach it with either gel or water. The reason I keep it thick is so it'll kind of just stick up. If it's too thin, it'll flop down a little bit on you. Kind of put it at an angle there. And the next thing we want to do is just take some, this is some gold dusting powder. And if you just take a little bit of alcohol and mix it with it, it makes a little paint. The reason I use the alcohol is it has, because it is alcohol, it has a high alcohol content. That means it evaporates quickly. You could use lemon extract though if you don't want to use a clear alcohol. So this is a vodka. You could use vodka or gin. And then just take it and just paint the star gold. And if you can see the white through it, that means that your dust, you might have too much liquid compared to the dust in your container, and you would have to wait for it to completely dry before you recoat it. Okay, and voila, cute little tree. That sparkle on there really makes it stand out a lot different than most of the other cookies that you see. So go, how'd you do that?